So almost got pounded yesterday with very heavy tropical downpours. There were some areas that exceeded 5 inches, almost approached a half a foot of rain in Randolph County, and there was a pretty big swath of 3 to about 5 inches of rain from Colquitt County in through portions of Mitchell County, Calhoun County, western Dougherty County. Yeah, we got it. Now, the airport, Albany, 600 of an inch of rain. But sometimes that happens in summertime convective type activity. Let's take you through this morning. We're going to see mostly dry conditions. There are a few showers along the Florida state line, so we can't rule out an isolated shower. Temperatures in the low 70s, maybe a little more comfortable than yesterday, at least outside my door. Funny thing is, once you got to the TV station, it felt like it was 5 degrees warmer. Upper 70s, 10 a.m., and then mid 80s at 1 p.m. We'll top off in the upper 80s with showers and maybe a few thunderstorms. The severe threat is not there, although we did have one strong storm yesterday, produced some wind gusts in around Moultrie. And the flooding threat isn't there, so we're not under any marginal or slight risk for anything. But again, you can never rule out an isolated thunderstorm turning strong. It's mainly going to be shower activity today. Just have your umbrella ready. That'll linger through the 7 o'clock hour. We'll go from the low 80s into the mid 70s and bottom out tomorrow around 72 degrees. Winds will be light. A few showers again in the evening hours. So that old tropical soup is over top of us. Low pressure that now has no chance of development because it's over land. Hurricane Center knocked that down yesterday in the midday hours to 0% chance. But we still have this trough axis that's going to help to ignite the showers. A few thunderstorms. High pressure going to bubble in here across the Florida Peninsula, kind of putting the kibosh on rain chances for our area. Just a 30% on Friday, a hotter west to southwest wind. And then the rain chances will really blossom Saturday. So we're going to get in the low 90s on Friday, low to mid 90s on Saturday. There is a sea breeze front showing here. There will also be a complex of thunderstorms coming at us from the northwest. And that all comes to a head, it looks like, in the afternoon and evening. You can see the thunderstorms really rocking and rolling across those northern communities into the afternoon and evening hours. So we do have a slight to marginal risk across the area here on Saturday from 4 to 10 p.m. Areas highlighted in yellow from Cuthbert to Fitzgerald northward are under a slight risk with a 15% chance of damaging winds. Everyone else is under a 5% chance of damaging winds. Cannot rule out some hail, mostly small hail though. Forecast for the weekend looks pretty unsettled, I would say the least. But I think for the first 2/3 of Saturday should be okay, and you're going to want to jump in the pool and stay cool at 93. Rain chance to take over Sunday. We actually have back to a marginal risk of flash flooding, 75 to 89, and then still staying unsettled. Temperatures should be around 90. They're going to be back below average with the good rain chances returning Sunday on into Monday. We'll talk more about that and the rest of your forecast on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope to see you then.